Okay, so this is the Milwaukee electric punch kit. We have two different punches here, and it's going to be, can we do the 3-inch first? I know I said 3-inch punches. Now that's locked in. Release.
Go ahead.
Oh shit. I just moved it.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay. Oh. Take it off of that. One-handed, yeah. And then, what you need? Can you hold the bottom?
Yeah.
So then, hold the arbor.
Oh, hold the stud.
So the arbor comes right off, cup comes off, and then, boom, that easy.
Go ahead.
I've never had a one-handed punch. I wanted to note that these Milwaukee have these very nice lines, and for the larger sizes the nub screws on, and traditionally if you were going to be doing, it has your crosshairs already set up. Now you hit the release, turn it back on to on, there's that, slide it in, ready?
Go ahead.
Clackety clack, hit the release, one-handed. That is a freaking awesome tool. Go ahead, we are live.
Going.
Completely effortlessly piercing the steel with some sort of electric drive. So this is a couple days after shooting the main footage. Something we just discovered is that this collar can come off completely, and that this, I just tightened it up. Oh. Well, anyway, you get the idea. This unthreads, and maybe if I put it under some load. Okay, I know what to do. So anyway, this thing is the bee's knees, and it is, from what we've just discovered, actual hydraulic, electric over hydraulic. I'll just wait for that. There we go. And then, quagmire I've gotten myself into.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Hold on. Beard vision. There we go. So if you ever get it stuck, now you know what to do. Remove that, and you can go back to old school. You remove your quick attach here, as seen, and maybe not this one. Oh, this is still a learning curve. There is another arbor in the kit. Anyway, just so that you know what you can do. And looking down inside, you can see oil in the very base, so it is a hydraulic tool.